Hello, friends, and welcome to Nate's Art Lab collaboration for February. Wow, everyone did such a great job. Yay! This was so much fun and challenging for me. Our challenge, as you know, was to use a palette knife of some sort. So I'm going to be doing a swipe. And because Fat Tuesday is coming up in a couple days, I'm going to be using some Mardi Gras colors. So sit back, relax, and watch me walk you through it. Thanks so much, Nate, for having me. And everybody, I hope you have a wonderful day. Let's get started. I'm going to start putting some colors down on here. And then I will put the cell activator over the top and swipe down with this palette. Let's see how it goes, folks. I'm using the DecoArt Fluid Art Ready to Pour acrylic. I'm using the blue violet, the deep turquoise, the lavender, the deep teal, aquamarine, pearl metallic, and the Master's Touched Pre-Mixed Pouring Acrylic. Okay, I'm going to start with DecoArt Ready to Pour Acrylic in blue violet. Next is the deep turquoise from DecoArt. I'm going to use the white. This is pearl metallic. Lavender. Deep teal. I'm going to go back to the blue violet. Pearl. Deep turquoise. Lavender. That was the blue violet, white, deep teal, lavender, pearl, blue violet, deep turquoise, pearl, okay, I'm going to craze this up just a little bit, folks. Let's do something interesting. Let's get a little gold in there just for some kicks and giggles. Hope there's not too much there. I'm going to put a little more of this across the top. I'm just going wild because I can. Sparkle goes wild. Hee hee. All right. I think that is going to be very interesting. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the, it's actually Artist Loft acrylic white, and I have added, what did I put in this one? Okay, now I remember. This is actually school glue, 70 glue, Artist Loft white, but I added some silicone to it because I'm experimenting and I hope it turns out. So this is going to be what I'm going to swipe with. Take this top off here. I want to have enough. I want to have enough to swipe with. I made just enough, hopefully. All right, so now I'm going to do a dry swipe with this. Oop, sorry, had a little nerve flinch there. That wasn't fun. Okay, so I'm going to use the the school glue acrylic mix with a little bit of silicone, and we're going to run this right down and see what we get. All right, I'm going to try to touch this very lightly. Very, very lightly. My hand tends to be a little heavy-handed sometimes because of my nerve flinches, but let's see what happens here. Might have a little too much of that swiping area or paint. I'm trying to go light-handed here. It's hard for me. Well, we're getting some cells. Might have to embellish a little bit just to keep in line with the theme of Fat Tuesday. I don't know if I mentioned, but swiping has always been my nemesis. Oh, don't do that. Sorry. Okay, well, interesting so far. I'll go back over this area a little bit. I still have quite a bit of the cell activator, so I'm thinking what I might do, and I don't know if I'm going to have a lot of gold coming through, so I think I'm going to just add some drops of gold and then go again with the cell activator and see what happens. Why not, right? Little dab here, little dab there. So instead of doing another swipe, I think I'm just going to enhance this. I'm going to put some dots on the white, and maybe it will just look kind of interesting. It's all about the fun. It's all about experimenting. I like it. I think it's kind of funky. I like funky. I think this is cool. I think we're being whimsical. How fun is this? I apologize for no dry results. My phone fell in the paint.